let us go for the fourth example. Let xy be the positive integers such that x to the power 4 equals to x minus 1 into y cube minus 23 minus 1. And we have to find the maximum possible value of x plus y. Okay, so what is the equation given? X to the power 4 equals to x minus 1 into y cube minus 23 minus 1. Okay, so we will subtract 1 from both sides. So x to the power 4 minus 1 equals to x minus 1 y cube minus 23 minus 2. Now expand this. X minus 1 x plus 1 into x square plus 1 equals to x minus 1 y cube minus 23 minus 2. Now divide by x minus 1 to each term. So we will get x plus 1 x square plus 1 equals to x minus 1 will get cancelled. Y cube minus 23 minus 2 by x minus 1. So y cube minus 23 equals to x plus 1 x square plus 1 plus 2 by x minus 1, and hence y cube is x plus 1 x square plus 1 plus 2 by x minus 1 plus 23. Now we are given x and y both are positive integers. As x is positive, this will be positive integer, this will be positive integer, this is already a positive integer. So we want this also a positive integers. Okay, so how will we get this term as a positive integer? If x minus 1 divides 2. So what are the possible values of x? So 2 can be divided by x minus 1. Minus 2 divides 2, so we get integer. Minus 1 divides 2, 0 divides 2, 1 divides 2 and 2 divides 2. It means these are the values for the x minus 1. So for x the values are minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. But minus 1, 0 and 1 can't be possible because we want positive integers. So x can't be minus 1 and 0. And if we put x equals to 1, then we will get 0 here. So 1 also we can't take. So let x be 2. So what is y cube? If we put x equals to 2, then we will get 3 into 5 plus 2 plus 23. It means 17 plus 23 equals to 40. But 40 is not perfect cube. Okay, so x can't be 2. Now let x equals to 3. So y cube will be, here we will put, so 4 into 10 plus 1 plus 23. It means 40 plus 1, 41 plus 23, that is 64. And hence y equals to 4. And hence the maximum value of x plus y will be 3 plus 4, that is 7.